So, hello guys to my new vlog. So here I am playing Roblox. This is my second video.
Bro,
hey,
Lucky Block, I want it, bro.
No,
Bro, what the hell? I want it.
no, I want it, bro.
Yes, I got it. See, you can see. Hey, who is this stupid?
I will steal it.
Wait.
Okay, and I'm not stealing it.
Wait, first I will lock my base, and you can see my Mythic Lucky Block. So let's go, guys. Roam outside.
Guys, my plan is to steal my brother. The Mythic Lucky Block, my brother. I have muted
Manu,
my
come here. See your base.
My base.
मेरे पास 50
Yeah.
मिलियन
अरे 10 seconds ना. He. No.
Manu, do you want to lose your brain rot?
Therefore, I told you. Told? What's told, bro?
First,
I am-
lock your base.
I am locking for so much time. It is not locking.
Oh.
Okay. Array, this thing.
Oh my god. Manvir, I thought you were saying something on that bubble gum.
Nothing.
Okay, then take this.
Oh, where are you?
No, I ran.
Wait, I will chill your mythic lucky block.
You can't steal only. I will off my friend allow only.
Oh my gosh.
मैं
Wait right there. What are you doing,
Nothing, bro. I am just seeing so carefully.
I know everything. What do you want to do? Hey, can you get away from my Bumblebee Giznini?
I'm not doing anything, bro.
Yeah, okay. Hey, excuse me.
Yeah, you. I'm the best.
Wait. Bro, do you know I have closed the friend allowed?
Let's see.
Now, if you want to try to come in, you cannot. See, anyone is this is open.
I'm stealing. Shit, I need to do reset my game.
ट्रिकली वाटरमेलन में आपके
I
बाजू
will
वाले
steal
के पास
Manvir's.
Huh?
Yeah, of course.
No, I'm resetting, bro. I need to
I
reset.
was just joking. Don't take worry of that.
My base is going to open.
I know that. Therefore, I was standing outside.
Oh,
See, let's go, guys.
my base.
I saw. Let's go. Yeah. Run away.
Run.
Manvir, come here.
Where?
Legendary is coming.
Okay.
ओके भाई मुझे चाहिए
Bubble gum. I need that legendary. Okay.
We will see. Chef Abracadabra is coming. I want.
I want.
Get lost. Hello.
Yeah, I want that. Where is this Abracadabra?
Because it is mine. Hey, no! Come in my base, bro.
You're not coming on base, bro.
What are you doing there?
No, nothing. It got in my base.
Yeah, I saw. It is gone in my base.
My base.
Hey, ballerina.
Ballerina cappuccino.
Hey, wait.
Wait. This is mine. Ballerina.
It is mine. Hey, take this lap. Hey, no. Let's go. Oh my god, what happened? Splash. Let's go.
Sorry guys, it was muted by myself.
Yeah.
It's mine, bro. It's mine.
No. Wait, get lost.
It's mine, bro. Bro, I'm saying it's mine.
No.
It is going my bag.
No.
Come.
No.
You're mine, bro.
Get
Balle. My ballerina cappuccino.
It is mine. Do you understand?
See, bro. Give me quietly,
बस खुल गया
or I'll use my invisibility cloak and steal yours.
No, you cannot. You have only one bat and you will roam from that only. Chimpanzee.
I will take that. Hey, that's mine.
Your base is open. Go and close it. Go. Or else I will steal from it.
मेरा बेस खुल गया
Okay, hey, steal. Log, my chimpanzee.
कोई चोरी कर रहा है अबे चोरी
No,
कर
it is
लिया
mine. Do you understand?
मैं तो इससे ही लूंगा
I said you. If I like something, I will take it from you. Why are you standing there?
किधर है
Nothing. Waiting for the new brain rot.
Oh,
You need a whole video.
You know what? You are the stupid
ये कौन
person in the whole world. See my best. How powerful
Guys,
is my...
make sure like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, please. I have seen that many people saw but do not like and subscribe to our channel.
See, they see and run. They do not like.
And those who don't like, we will not talk to you, bro.
Yeah.
किसका
We need in
किसका
10
सामने वाले
days
के
350
मैं बंदा
subscribers.
क्या
Yeah, we will be very huge.
पास
But
बंदा है।
this base is come. Let's fight.
If you beated me, so how will
I beated you by mistakenly. Let's do it.
I am on orangutan, yeah.
When we see,
In my before part, I want to do a rebirth, bro.
this person is orangutan, you can steal from him.
Orangutan I have already, bro.
कौन
And Frigo Kamalo.
You doesn't have. See in your rebirth.
Yeah, I saw. I only need Frigo Kamalo.
आपके
bro,
लागे
what do you do?
आपका बेस खुल गया
One minute, I am coming.
आपका एक औरंगजेब
Do you try? What do you try to do? What are you?
फ्रेंड अलाउ तो करो कर दिए
Now you see what I can do.
क्यों
Now you see.
Bro, what are you doing?
Yeah. I'm nothing doing.
Yeah, my Frigo Kamalo.
Yeah. See who has stolen your Frigo Kamalo?
Who is doing? Let me see.
I don't know. Very beautiful, like I don't know.
Bhaiya?
No, I didn't steal. It's the wrong name.
Wait, let me check in a bit. No one is here. Let me steal my brother. I muted my brother. Now I unmute my brother. Hello, Bhaiya.
Yeah. What do you were saying in mute?
Nothing, bro. I was just saying how to get the new brain rot.
Okay. I have your Frigo Kamalo. Now you doesn't have anything to rebirth only.
I have chimpanzee, ni bananini. From that I will.
But you are on Frigo Kamalo and orangutan on the national rebirth.
Yeah. Means you can rebirth now. From here, stealer. Wait, I have plan, guys. First, I need to take from here.
Wait.
Uh,
Anyone is slapping you.
okay, I think invisibility cube. Hello, Bhaiya, can you see me?
Yeah, you're in front of me taking the bat and running here and there.
Now can you see me?
Where did you go, bro?
I'm behind you, bro.
Where?
No, you need to see very nice.
No, I
Your
cannot.
eyes is blurred, that's why you can't see.
Bro, what are you talking? Let me see my base. You're here only.
इनविजिबिलिटी का लोग यूज किया है
Come here. Wait, what are you doing?
किसको
Wait, now I have to do one thing. Take the Bombardino. Bro, what the hell are you thinking? This is mine.
Bro, this is mine, bro. Literally.
No.
You have taken my everything.
Get lost.
Guys, I know why my brother is taking everything. Because
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
before vlog,
Someone is stealing.
who is the chimpanzee banana?
I slapped that person.
Okay, lock. Guys, do you know why? Wait, I am muting you, bro. Okay?
Okay.
Muted.
Why for it?
Okay, guys, I was saying that my brother. You know why my brother is stealing everything? Because in the before vlog, I stole my brother. Okay, unmuted. Hello.
Why did you muted me?
Nothing, bro. Just I was telling the reason.
Hey, tell me.
No,
What do you want to hide from me?
Hey, I'm stealing anyone's.
Steal it.
Panda chichi panyanini.
Arey, you have to steal Orangutini bat.
Hey, that's your base only, do you know?
No, it's not my base.
और इसमें पांडे से बनाने
Nice
लेने के लिए बहुत क्लोज
Who did that?
I don't know, but nice one.
बंदे ने लॉक कर लिया बस
Hey, his base is still open.
Whose?
That base only.
No. Wait,
By the way, where are you?
I am on anyone's base.
Whose? I am coming there. Whose?
In the corner.
What the hell did you say?
किसका बेस खुल गया
In the corner. Who has 2 floors and under. His base was open, he logged. Hey, my base is open, Messi.
Let me know. This is new brand rot.
I also think I am buying it.
Okay, bro.
मैं इतना तेज क्यों भाग रहा हूँ?
Trying to eat
मैं देखो भैया,
I'm not getting
इतना
any
तेज
brain
क्यों भाग रहा हूँ?
rot.
Why? Wait, did you open the meeting like it now?
चलो और तेज कर देता हूँ।
Open now. Open also, bro. What are you doing?
No, I will not open it now.
Why?
This person is coming here. Hey, hey. Get off.
Who is this guy? Who is this?
I am. Wait, I am collecting money.
Did you hide? Did you hide?
No.
ए मेरे चिंपांजी।
No.
Hey, someone's stealing, bro. Who is that? Bus
Everybody is still here. Oh my god.
my brain rot.
इनके बच्चे रामेन।
Wow.
Oh, you were
अरे
also
भैया।
there in the middle.
No, I was coming to save you.
Save you. So why are you in my base? Just tell me.
I don't know, but I didn't was stealing anything. This person was stealing. I'm hitting him.
Oh, hitting or stealing?
No, hitting.
Hitting.
Yeah. Take this slap and get away from me.
No, I'll not get away.
What will you do? Wait.
What I'll do?
Anyone more is slapping you.
Who will slap me? I'm the rowdy of here.
You are this.
What?
Talpi dao.
Palpi dao?
This.
Talpi
Gold.
the cheese.
Yeah.
Ah, you are this Swina Bombardina pig.
Tung sahur sahur din. अरे बरबर पता. Why this person is taking all the things stuffs from here?
Flamingo. He's also named Flamingo. Should we buy Flamingo?
No. We do not need flamingo. First, see your base is okay or not, because your base is. Hey, my base! What? Why are you laughing like that? Are you
Nothing,
gone
bro.
stupid?
Bro, how did you listen? Then I am muted.
I don't know.
Nothing.
Bro, means. Wait, I want to steal you.
Bro, why did you get me muted? Just tell me.
No, nothing.
Tutu Nubinini.
Guys, I want to steal Mandir Gupta se. I will steal from you and then
Huh? I can listen everything.
Wait, what the heck are you listening, bro? Wow, did you listen?
You are stealing my stealer?
No, I'm not telling that. But where are you? Can you tell me?
I am here. You just come down.
No.
Now.
नहीं भैया बचा।
Yeah. Your base is open.
Means your idea was to steal mine.
No, I was telling you, Pithik is coming in 42 seconds. I will steal. Bro, why the heck are you hitting
Flamingo
me?
is coming and
Now you see, I will hit you. You are continuously hitting me only.
Hello, I am here, bro. Who are you are beating?
Bro, come here. I said come here.
No, bro. Two things are coming. I think the new brain rot will come, I think.
Yeah.
You need to go to bureau.
I don't think so. Spin a hero, Galubi. My best!
Yeah. Still I need the new brain rot.
I locked my best.
Bro, good side.
Thank you. I want that new brain rot, man.
No, bro.
Bro, you cannot take me from me also. You know that.
I'm just
Slap a foot to Dilo. I don't need that, but I will give a slap. Cavalier, what you also. Yeah, take the slap.
I am not there also, bro.
No. I know that, but I do not want to.
Get side. No.
Yeah.
I'm hiding.
Take the
I'm
slap.
hiding.
No.
Yes.
Why?
No, you can't get, bro. Bro, it's mine. Ballerina Cappuccino, come here.
Let's go.
Ballerina Cappuccino.
Get that flamingo and be happy from that.
Ah. Bro, I am locked in another base and my base is going to open. Please help.
Okay.
Inside, bro.
I will steal from him.
You're going to open it, bro. Bro, my base is open.
Yeah, anyone is inside your base, I saw him. Bro, just lock your base. Why you are hitting that person? Lock! Yeah.
भाई मैंने
You?
No, I am not
मैंने
that.
क्या दिमाग में बंदा मेरा चोरी करने आया मैंने क्या
Who is talking that?
एक लोग के
I
साथ
don't
था
know, but
बंदा आया मैंने उसको मार के बाहर फेंक के लॉक कर दिया
Orbo Drillo, Frotto Drillo.
Come here.
Hey, what happened, bro? The thing got black.
I don't know. But I think so. For today, it's okay. We will make this series more and more. Wait, why are you hitting? Stop fidgeting that person.
Now he steal my favorite bracelet.
Baku. His name is Baku.
Daku.
See Flamingo.
Hey, you, I'll beat you.
Oh, Anvir, can you find me?
First you find me.
No, I don't know. You have invisibility from this chicken.
No,
You find me. Oh my god, I jumped over Manveer. Let's go. Manveer is going to run from here, guys. Why is he doing so much here and there? Hey, Trala Lelo.
Where Trala Lelo?
Here, there.
Where did Trala Lelo come in? Which base?
You didn't saw there? There is
Liar?
Come here. Take this.
Oh, what a shot.
Huh? You are here only, I know. Come here, where did you go? You stealing any pizza? Come here, are my base.
Everyone is stealing.
Hey, take this lap.
Oh,
Manvi, see you, Boneka Balabu. Hey, why the heck is Flamingo is saving? Brr, Dickus, your base is open. Stupid.
don't say lie. Huh? Let it go.
Manvi, seriously?
यार
मेरे को चिंपांजी बनाने
यो steal.
यार भैया बचाना
No, I am stealing myself only. Hey, see that person line kick. That person stole you.
Sam.
Bro, okay. So guys, today it is enough for that. Don't you think, Manveer?
Yeah. Bye.
And by the way, I got diamond orangutini.
Good side.
I'll beat this, bro.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. And we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
My brother.
Hey, I hated you. I hated you.